Play with your toy? Daddy had a rough day. Really use some company up here. Hey, just need some loving. Had a rough day. Yeah. I love talking to you, you know? I know. I wish you could understand me.
We speaking English, right?
Wow. Wow.
Lay it on me. You can talk to me.
You're a guy?
Well, yeah, I used to be at least. That's before they took away my gonads. Get in there. Get back in there.
Oh, yeah.
Right back where you were.
Sorry.
Right into that chinny chin chin. That's the goods.
So, what do you want to talk about?
Well, you said you had a problem, you know? Lay it on me, baby.
Yeah. 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 So, you know, I've been out of the house a lot lately and putting in crazy hours at work. That's why I haven't been home. And I was sure that I was gonna get that promotion. But then my boss called me into his office last week, and he laid it on me. He thanked me for my hard work, and he said he's giving the promotion to Robert. Can you believe that? There it is.
Dude, I totally understand. Man, my range of motion is not what it used to be.
You hungry?